What if I told you that some bathroom renovations can actually make your home worth less? Most of the time, they're often seen as a guaranteed win, but in reality, not every renovation works in your favor. Hi, I'm Will Culleton from Bytown, and today I'll show you which bathroom renovations hurt resale value, why they do, and how to protect your investment before you spend a dollar. Most bathroom renovations that hurt resale value don't start with bad intentions. They usually start with you designing the space for yourselves without thinking about how the next buyer will see it. When buyers walk into a bathroom, they're not just reacting to how it looks. They're also asking, how long will it last? How much will I need to change? And what problems might be hiding behind the walls? This is where trend-heavy designs often cause trouble. Bold tiles, ultra-modern finishes, or highly stylized bathrooms might feel exciting today, but trends move fast. When a renovation feels dated just a few years later, buyers see it as a space they'll need to redo, not one they're paying extra for. We also see issues with features that look high-end but create long-term concerns. Shower columns and feature systems are a perfect example. While they photograph well, buyers often worry about maintenance, replacement parts, and durability. That's why instead of reading as a luxury, they register as a risk. Then, some renovations unintentionally reduce usability. Built-in shower seating, for instance, sounds appealing at first, but permanent benches often make showers feel smaller and more restrictive. And for buyers who don't need accessibility features, less space is typically not a selling feature. Spending heavily on premium materials can often miss the mark. High-end tile doesn't always translate into higher resale value because once it's installed, many buyers can't tell the difference between moderately priced materials and top-tier options. Lastly, highly personalized layouts tend to limit buyer appeal. Bathrooms designed around one person's height, habit, or lifestyle can feel awkward to others. When buyers sense they'll need to make changes, they mentally subtract that cost from what they're willing to offer. But the good news is, protecting resale value doesn't mean playing it safe or settling for boring. The strongest renovations focus on timeless design, reliable materials, and layouts that work for as many people as possible. Neutral colors, simple patterns, and flexible spaces help buyers picture themselves in the home without immediately planning changes. Quality matters too, but not in the flashy sense. Well-made fixtures and proper installations do more for resale value than expensive finishes installed poorly. Uneven tile, rushed waterproofing, or questionable workmanship raises concerns instantly, even for buyers who don't know about construction. Cost is another area where smart planning makes a big difference. Bathroom renovation prices can vary widely depending on scope, materials, layout changes, and installation quality. Without a clear estimate up front, it's easy to overspend on features that don't help resale or cut corners that create future problems. The goal is balance, investing where it counts and avoiding upgrades that work against you. So if you're considering a tub or shower upgrade, take a step back and think beyond trends. And to avoid regrets later, we're always here to help. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.